much is this? Is amazing.
Sometimes this man is crazy.
Hey everyone, welcome back. It's so nice to be back again with another day vlog. Today is going to be a really busy day for me because I have so many things that I want to do, but also most importantly my friend Benz is celebrating his birthday today, so we'll be celebrating with him, and I'm just going to walk my way through the whole day till the birthday celebration. The gym in the building is actually not open, but around the gym area there's like this secluded places that I can jump rope, I can skip. So this is how I'm starting my day. I just realized something. I forgot to wear my face mask this morning. I was just eager to come outside and just walk out. I guess I better get to the 500 quickly so that I can go back inside before I'm being called out. I have a clock sync, so once I'm done with all of the rinsing, I'm just going to go underneath and try to figure out what is going on down there. The water is starting to come out. Stinks in here. Dump this in the toilet. I didn't plan today to be like a thorough cleaning day, but if that's the way it's going to be, I might as well go with the flow. I'm just gonna clean this basin up so I can use it again. The trash guy is here. Let's make coffee. One would be for my face steaming, and then this one would be for my coffee. I use the instant coffee, so it's like easy and just fast to go. Just going to go ahead and rearrange and clean all of these layers of mess. I'm done with the bathroom. For the next 2 weeks, I'm not going to even touch it or even clean it, which is nice to just get out of the way. So I am uploading a new video on the channel, and it's basically I ended up spending 24 hours with my friends, which was unplanned. So that's what that vlog is about. While the video is uploading, I just need to put some information about the vlog. Hot water. My towel here. It's kinda like that. And by myself. Oh, it's hot. Oh. Oh. It's hot. Let's try again. I'm just here to check on the progress of the video that I'm uploading. I ended up in Green Hills because my phone fell down. I'm just trying to rush everything as much as I can so I can go home early. I'm looking for a present to buy for Ben's.
To popular.
Quack,
yeah.
Okay, I want this one. 3 balloons.
3 balloons.
And then quack.
First stick is 20 pesos. 4 pieces.
Guys, you're not gonna believe this. I was just walking around here and I came across balloons. Here. Put it separate.
Separate.
Yeah.
Separate ka lang. I have a very big one. This one. Okay. Like this one.
Thank you.
You like?
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
Sometimes this one is crazy.
Yeah, I can see that.
Sometimes cute, sometimes funny.
Okay.
It's only 80 pesos more.
80, thank you. I'm outside the mall and it's already dark. So right now I'm just gonna look for a taxi to go back to Makati.
100 pesos.
Okay. I'm just waiting for them to grill my food and then I can get a taxi to go home.
It's okay to 500, ma'am.
No. Oh, Kuya, come on.
No, ma'am, because too much traffic. So
No, it's too much.
How much you give me? How much you give me, ma'am?
It's too much. 300, okay?
300?
Yeah.
Okay, just do 350, ma'am.
No, Kuya, come on.
Okay. 300.
Come on.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
I still have like 2 other errands which included shopping and then a particular one, but I won't be able to do that because time is already against me. I don't think I can make it to the mall anymore, but I've been able to do like the most important things today, which was cleaning and relaxing, getting gifts for Ben's birthday, so at least I was able to achieve those things. Now I'm on my way home. I'm almost home. Today just turned crazy when my phone fell down, but it's so nice that I've been able to fix it. I'm going in now and what I'll be doing is that I'll be trying the Filipino food that I bought. What is actually unplanned was the Filipino street food that I didn't even see coming. So that's what I'll be having for dinner. It's the top that I'm wearing to Ben's birthday party. It's a crop top and I'm going to pair it with a high-waisted denim jean. And I made this few weeks ago and as you can see, I still have to hand stitch all of this down. Like that, so I'll be doing this right now. Oh, I used to put in the quack sauce. Wow, this is amazing. BJC, you have meter?
Yeah.
Good.
Always meter.
Alright, perfect. It's not romantic at all.